Mga bata, matulog na kayo, gabi na. O, sige po nanay. O sige po ate. O, sige din po ate. Tulog na po kami. Ay, gusto na natulog. Tinanggal na namin pala yung wig namin. Tara, kumat na tayo. Kumat na tayo. O sige, tara. Tinanggal ko na pala yung wig ko din. Katulad ni Sarah. Ako wala akong wig. Sa totoo. Real hair to. Oh, ito yung kumoto. Pati sinamit din yung gano'n. Dito na tayo. Sige. Tulog na tayo.
The Bluetooth device is ready to
Ang ganda
pair.
naman ang gising.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Ang ako.
If you're happy and you know it, you should sing. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it,
Ganda
you
na ng
should sing.
tulog ko eh.
If you're happy and you
Natakpa
know
ako, pero babangon na ako.
really want to show it. If you're happy and you
Iingay
know it,
naman,
there's
may
so
nag
much.
speaker.
If you're happy and you know it, and you
Tara,
really
pasok
want
na
to
tayo
show
sa
it, let me
school.
sing it now.
Tara, tara. Sige, tara na. At pumasok na nga ang magkakaibigan sa school nila. At nakauwi na ang magkakaibigan.
If you're happy and you know it, laugh out loud. If you're happy and you know it,
Ang
laugh
sarap
out
pala.
loud. If you're happy
Ang sarap pala
and you
magising
know
ng
it, and you
maaraw.
really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, laugh out
Magkakapatid
loud.
pala sila, guys.
If you're happy